We receive a lot of questions regarding Pregnacare conception in our previous videos. We gathered all of these questions, and today, we will answer all these questions in this video. Just in case, if you haven't watched the previous video on how Pregnacare conception helps in getting pregnant, you can watch by clicking the link in the description. Now, let's start our question and answer session. What is the best time to take Pregnacare conception? The best time to take this supplement is morning, after breakfast. What is the dose for Pregnacare conception? The dose is daily 1 tablet only. How long should I take Pregnacare conception? Ideally, to help prepare your body to conceive, it can be used up to 3 months before you start try for a baby. The duration of use can range from minimum 1 month to maximum of 3 months. What if I don't get pregnant after using Pregnacare conception? It's possible that after use of Pregnacare conception, you still didn't get pregnant, which can be due to multiple reasons, such as hormonal, PCOS, or any other reason, which your treating doctor will identify. If not conceived, your doctor might prescribe some hormonal tablets, such as Dufastin or Clomid, depending upon your condition. Can I use Pregnacare conception along with Clomid or Dufastin? Yes, you can use. Can I use Pregnacare conception along with other multivitamins? No, you don't need to use any other additional multivitamins. Should Pregnacare conception be taken on empty stomach or full stomach? It should be taken on full stomach with a glass of water. Can I take folic acid, calcium, vitamin D, or iron supplement along with Pregnacare conception? No, you don't need any additional supplement to use along Pregnacare conception, as it already contains these supplements in required quantities. However, sometimes there is deficiency of iron, folic acid or vitamin D in the body which your reports will suggest. In that case, consult your treating doctor, after which, you can use them along with Pregnacare conception. Can it be used after dinner? Or is it strictly after breakfast? It can be used after dinner or lunch, but best time to use is after breakfast. Is Pregnacare conception safe for ectopic pregnancy? Yes, it's safe. Can I use Pregnacare conception during my period days? Yes, you can use. Do I need prescription for Pregnacare conception? No, you can take by your own, but it's always advisable to consult your doctor or pharmacist first. Can Pregnacare conception be used in PCOS? Yes, it helps in PCOS, but this is not the first-line treatment for this condition. For PCOS, other medicines are available, such as metformin, which doctor will advise you after seeing your condition. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe the channel.